time to get something because the airport is really expensive. I think instead I'll get a handcraft sandwich. Yes. So I still have 2 hours of waiting. I guess this is something very nice to do while you wait. So yeah, this is exactly what I need. Although I think this would be better after you get off the airplane. So since I still have 2 hours of waiting, I guess I will go get a coffee. If you are on Schiphol, this is the best place to be because all the shops and coffees are here. And if you go to your gate, you probably won't find anything. At least coffee prices are decent.
Look like this is?
They are really dry. I think the only time that I saw Schiphol empty was when I traveled in 2020 and everything was still a bit weird because of COVID. But besides that, it's always really full and crowded. I remember that back then everything was closed and there was a long queue at my gate to check your COVID vaccine and all your papers and permissions to entrance Italy, but the airport was deserted. And another spa. One thing that I find amazing about the Schiphol is that they are always working on improving the airport. They put a lot of time on creating new areas for passengers. I wonder if this is...
Next fare passagiers met
En dan de andere.
Finally, Amman. After 5 hours of traveling, hotel room and toilet.